So my name's Harlan Schilling. I'm the Deputy Chief for Daylu Dena Council in Lower Post, British Columbia. So within Lower Post, we're 23 kilometers from most of the everyday life amenities. So the hospital, the high school, the grocery store, everything is 23 kilometers away. So my entire life, it was whether, as a kid, taking the 2.5-hour bike ride, and as you get older, the 15-minute drive. Being the farthest northern community in British Columbia, the climate reality is the climate change is real. In the 7 years that I've been home, I've got to see how much the north has changed, whether it's the warmer and hotter summers or more drastically the negative 60 degrees weather that we get for 2-3 weeks at a time during the winter. So looking at ways that we travel, we have to take those things into consideration. Last week, the first week of October, we actually just got our first electric charging station on reserve in community. As the world's changing, we are seeing a lot more in the north, tourists, other people traveling with electric vehicles. So we've seen that the need was there. It's a safety concern. There are people that are using it. So we, in community, I don't believe we have anybody that has an electric vehicle yet, but I'm very proud to say that we have the capabilities to service those that need that requirement. So we are rural and remote, but we're just one of 50 communities that are just like us. Obviously, there's small changes and small differences in every single community, but when it comes to carbon transportation, everything, we're all very much alike. So again, very proud that my community gets to be a stepping stone and a learning tool for other communities to have information.